Hey guys, Micah from blackbearcustomkydex. Got a video for you today on this Spyderco Paramilitary 2 and the sheath that I just made for it. This is going to Jonathan in the Philippines actually. So Jonathan asked me to, he's got the Spyderco, it's got the, well obviously Paramilitary 2, but he's got the model with the ACU digital camo handle scales and blacked out blade. So it looks really cool. That's my favorite variation of the standard PM2s. You get some of the limited editions that come around every now and then I like a little more, but alright, so he asked me to originally do it in the ACU camo, and I told him I could do that obviously, but I'd have to order some more of the material because I'm running pretty low on it. So he is actually in a hurry to get it, so we just worked it out where I would just use what I had left to make a lock for the sheath, and he told me just to choose the color. So I thought this would actually look really nice having some coyote against his ACU digital scales, and then that band of coyote between that and the ACU digital lock. So hopefully he'll appreciate that. I think that looks nice. It's a good color combo. And let me show you how this thing works. So as you can see, it rides on a large tech lock. I have it set up currently at just about a 45-degree angle, 30-40 degree angle, I'm not sure exactly. But this is where I find it's most comfortable, because as it rides on your belt at this angle, it's really more of a natural feeling to draw it off sort of behind you rather than straight down. I see some guys do it straight up, and I can't personally get it to do it really well on horizontal, but you do have the option. So this is where it's set up right now through these two drill holes, and it's at the angle. However, these two, the ones that do not have screws in them right now, are 1.5 inches apart, which means on your tech lock you can set it up to make your knife ride vertically either way or horizontally. So that's what he requested on here. No, it actually just happens to be my standard setup. So alright, so talking about the lock itself, this is a concept that was created by Kevin Robinson from TIE Tactical, TIE Tactical. You need to go check him out. He does great sheaths. He's a great guy. And Kevin has been gracious enough to give me a little bit of advice on making this system a little better, and has given me permission to use his concept, his locking mechanism concept, in my work. So thank you very much, Kevin. Shout out to you. Appreciate all your help and your permission certainly to use your awesome invention here. So alright, this is a rundown on how it works. So you can see the unlocked position is working with this little hook between these two fins. Alright, so we're going to call these two pieces that come off the top of the sheath, these are the fins, and this is the hook. So the hook is between the fins, which spreads them out a little bit, gives the knife a little bit of play, but the kydex is gripping into the opening hole. So when you pull your knife out, you need to rotate your wrist a little bit and pull it out, you know, kind of toward the back. You can see it start to open the sheath, or open the knife a little bit, and it's escaping out the back, and those fins are spreading. Right? So you do it fast, so you pull down, back, and flick your wrist. This is the motion. And that's that. Very easy. Deploys every time. And going back in, I kind of put it back in at an angle. It really the butt of the handle should be right around here once it's locked in, but I put it in at a little bit of an angle and then kind of scissor it in so it gets that nice click going back. There's that. One more time just for good measure. Alright, when you want to lock it back up, all you have to do, just put a couple fingers on the front of the lock and your thumb on the back, and you want to flex away from your body, right? So the tech lock's here, you're going to flex it away, and it just pops back over. It's super easy. And I've actually done something a little different on this one. You can see I've dug out a little finger groove there, and I'm not sure that that necessarily helps anything, But to me, it feels like I've got more contour to grip onto instead of just having a straight line. It's never been a problem for me with any of the auto opens that I've used, and I've certainly never heard a customer say anything about it, but I thought it might be a cool thing to try out, just a little bit more of a contour to grip onto. So I'll be looking forward to some feedback from Jonathan on that. And all right, that's what I got for you guys. If you like this sheath, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of it. Share it with your friends. Stick around for the next one. Thanks for tuning in. God bless, guys.